Let us now see how to create forecast transactions. After you have defined forecast models, you can enter forecasts for hours, expenses, fees, items, and on-account payments. In the projects list page, we will be able to specify the forecast transactions. Let us now move to the project list page and choose a particular project and start creating forecast transactions. The Plan tab has all the forecast transaction forms. The Hour Forecast form is what I clicked right now. In an hour forecast, you can use these to forecast expected hour consumption and to schedule time allocation for workers. In the expense forecast, as you see, you can specify the category for which you're creating the expense forecast for. You enter the forecast model, the category, and a cost price. The quantity is also important to specify on an expense forecast. Similarly, for the fee forecast and on-account forecast, you will be able to specify the exact amount that you forecast to spend in the future in that particular project. You can also create forecast directly from a project quotation that has been accepted by a customer. When the project quotation is transferred to a project, you will be able to transfer all the quotation lines into forecast transactions. Similarly, for a chosen project, you will be able to transfer the WBS estimate lines into a forecast line. The WBS estimate lines are grouped by transaction types, and they are pushed into the right forecast model appropriate for the transaction types in the correct forecast transactions. It will also be possible to apply batch processing to this process. Once all the forecast transactions have been created, you will be able to copy the forecast transactions to a ledger. When you copy a forecast transaction to a general ledger budget, the selected transactions are copied to that general ledger budget, and you will be able to specify to which general ledger budget model specifically that you want these transactions to be copied to.